Thank you so much for being here today. I'm Dennis Rodoni, District 4 Supervisor, and I'm very proud to represent Eastern Santa Fe and the Canal. So good morning to everyone. I know traffic was a little bit difficult this morning, but nice to see most of you made it. It's really a pleasure to be here today, pleasure and an honor to be here today, standing alongside such a committed group of partners from local government to education, to health, to donors, the nonprofit sector, voices of the Canal, parent voices, and all the elected officials in the room. Thank you so much for your service. Would you stand up if you're an elected official, please? Come on, don't be shy. Thank you. I want to stop just for a minute to thank Marin Promise Partnership for organizing this event, MCF, Marin Community Foundation, for supporting this event, and the City of Santa Fe and Alboro Center for hosting this event. We're here today for one reason, to make a bold and coordinated promise to the children and families of the Canal neighborhood. The Canal Promise Neighborhood Initiative is a community-led, cross-sector effort to support youth from birth through high school and beyond, improving academic outcomes, health access, economic mobility in a neighborhood that has long carried the weight of systemic inequality. The Canal is a community full of strength, culture, and resilience, but one that has also faced historic disinvestment, overcrowded housing, environmental burdens, and some of the sharpest disparities in our county. That's why this is where we start. The initiative brings together the City of Santa Fe Schools, the Marin County Office of Education, First Five, College of Marin, County of Marin, Nuestro Canal Nuestro Futuro. I'm not good at Spanish, as you can tell. Collaborative with coordination from Marin Promise Partnership and the support of the Marin Community Foundation. Just as important, it includes nonprofit partners, resident leaders whose life experience and community trust are essential to building something that works. Thank you for all this initiative teamwork, innovative teamwork. At the center of it all is our children. Our focus is on young people from birth to 18 years old, because when kids thrive, families thrive, and whole neighborhoods benefit. That means expanding early childhood and after-school programs, supporting language access and newcomer families, connecting families to health and mental wellness services, creating job pathways for parents and youth, and coordinating all of it under one unified plan, not fragmented systems. I want to repeat that. And coordinating it all under one unified plan, not fragmented systems. This work aligns with the broader goals of my Board of Supervisors to build equity into how we deliver services, to support working families, and to respond to the impacts of climate change and economic uncertainty with solutions that center on our most impacted communities. We've seen the success of this model in places like Mission Promise neighborhood in San Francisco, and we have a real opportunity to bring the same level of alignment, investment, and measurable impact right here to Marin. Starting in the Canal, and based on what we learned, we hope to bring this to similar approaches in West Marin, Marin City, and Novato. To our nonprofit partners, thank you for your deep roots and trusted presence. To our government staff, thank you for stepping up into the collaboration with urgency. And to our philanthropic leaders and potential funders, thank you for seeing the opportunity to invest in long-term system change, not just short-term services. Together, we can show what's possible when we lead with equity, work across sectors, and stay accountable to community partners. Let's keep our promise, and let's start right here. Roll up your sleeves, and let's get started. Thank you so much. And now it's my great pleasure